Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn off auto remove download list items in Safari on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then in here, tap on Safari. Next, we go down and in here tap on downloads, then tap on remove download list items. Now to switch off the auto removal of downloaded list items, simply select manually, and this will stop the Safari app from automatically remove download list items. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.